Here is the 2018 Forest River Salem 24 RKHL. We'll start at the front of the coach here. It has a power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, two batteries in battery boxes. We have power stabilizer jacks on all four corners. Nice pass-through storage with a door on the other side. And we'll check out the driver's side. So we have the slide out, your black and gray tank drain, the other gray tank drain, 30 amp power source, 6-gallon hot water tank. And on the back is your water hookups and cable satellite hookups. This coach is also prepped for a backup camera. And we go back to the camp side. The back door has the Lippert solid steps. We also have a power awning with LED light strip. This bracket here is for the TV. You could take it out from inside and put it out here. You have another cable hookups, extra 110 outlets, and the black tank flush. Let's check out the inside. Walk into the door here. The kitchen's in the very back. We have a residential refrigerator and freezer, oven with a 3-burner cooktop, microwave and hood vent above, lots of storage, deep barn style sink, the dinette with storage up above, and a tri-fold sleeper sofa. Back the hallway, we have lots more storage. Very spacious bathroom with lots of extra counter space. And back to the private master bedroom. So we have a wardrobe closet on either side, storage cupboards up above the bed. Each side has its own drawer, and this side has a laundry chute. Perfect spot to put your laundry basket in the pass-through storage. We'll also have a TV in this room. And that is the Salem. Have a good day, everybody.